How to delete conversation on Discord. First, you want to open the Discord app on your device and make sure that it is fully updated. To make sure it's updated, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store and then update your app. Once you do that, you want to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, and you simply want to tap on the message icon, which is at the top, and that's going to open up direct messages. Now, there is no direct way of deleting conversations on Discord, so I'm going to show you an alternative way on how you can do that. First, you want to open the particular conversation that you want to delete. Now, you want to tap on this icon at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on the three dots. Once you do, you're going to find the close DM option. So you simply want to tap on that, and that is going to close the DM. So this is one way on how you can delete conversation on Discord. Another way is if the conversation is in a channel that you own, you can simply head over to that channel in this way. Now what you want to do is you want to tap on this icon and now tap on settings. Scroll down, and at the bottom you're going to find delete channel option. Tap on that, and now you want to tap on yes. What that's going to do is it's going to delete the whole channel. So if the conversation is in that channel, the conversation is also going to be deleted. So these are two ways on how you can delete conversation on Discord. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.